now it's recording.
The super shiny. Check it out. I'll pull it right here a little bit.
Dang it. Okay. It's a lot of whatever.
Well, what do I do now? Yeah. The shiny is here. Just throw that
What?
motherfucker on it. Just wait.
No.
Hey.
It's working.
Then you go like this.
It's working.
See that? Motherfucker. Then you just gotta pound that motherfucker. Pound it. See, voila!
Oh wow, it does work.
Voila! Virtually dry.
Do it right there.
No, I want that way. No.
Hurry up, do it.
Alright. See, it's still wet, right? Throw that motherfucker.
No, not right there. It's right there. You can't even see it on the camera, Jor.
Well, they're gonna have to get some.
Oh yeah. Dang, that's so crazy. It's like an eraser.
It is, Lauren. They call it the eraser. And voila!
It still looks wet.
No!